Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, we're going to walk you through the entire Windows 11.24H2 installation process. Microsoft has made a lot of changes, from the legacy setup to the out-of-the-box experience, and we'll cover everything step by step. And now let's get started. The first thing you'll see when you plug in your bootable USB with Windows 11 is the language settings. There are a few changes here. We'll select English for both the language and time/currency formats, then click Next. Here, you'll have the option to choose your keyboard language or input method. Then click Next. Now we have two options: Install Windows 11 or Repair my PC. In this case, we'll go with the installation. After agreeing to delete everything, including files, apps, and settings, we can move forward by inserting a product key. If you don't have one, click I don't have a product key. At this step, you'll select the edition of Windows 11, either Home or Education or Pro, and then click Next. Next will accept the license terms. And head to the disk management section. This has been updated with more buttons like Refresh, Load Driver, Delete Partition, Format Partition, and more. If you're installing Windows 11 on a brand new laptop, you'll probably need the Load Driver option to install drivers from your USB, especially for Wi-Fi or disk support. We're going to install Windows 11 on our chosen partition and click Next. After that, we're ready to begin the installation process. You'll notice that Microsoft has removed the old checkboxes for installation progress and replaced them with a simpler percentage display. This is part of keeping the system compatible with unattended installs, so IT administrators can manage multiple computers. After the installation finishes, your system will restart a few times, and you'll enter the out-of-the-box experience, where you'll set up your country, keyboard layout, and input your device name. another restart, and then you'll select whether to set up for personal use. Next, you'll log in with your Microsoft account. Create a PIN and choose your privacy settings.
I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm.
I usually recommend turning off tailored experiences and find my device unless you're on a laptop.
Time to lay, to drift away. I feel
After that, you can restore a backup or set up your PC as a new device.
down the rabbit hole again, and as I fall I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, and just go with the flow.
Finally, you'll see the screen that says, Getting Things Ready for You. This is where you can skip Microsoft's offers, like 365, Game Pass, or OneDrive setup if you're not interested. We're almost done.
Just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo.
After a few more screens, you'll be fully set up and ready to log into Windows 11/24 H2. And that's the full Windows 11/24 H2 installation process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channels. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.